Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious raspberry cheesecake cookies. First, let's prepare our cookie dough base. Start by creaming together softened butter, granulated sugar, and a touch of cream cheese until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is just combined. Finally, gradually mix in your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt, until a soft dough forms. Now let's get to the cheesecake magic. For the filling, combine softened cream cheese, a small amount of granulated sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract until smooth. This will be the creamy heart of our cookies. Next, take your prepared cookie dough and roll it into uniform balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. Gently flatten each ball slightly, then use your thumb or a small spoon to create a shallow indentation in the center, ready for our delicious raspberry surprise. With our cookies shaped, it's time for the vibrant raspberry swirl. Carefully spoon a small amount of your favorite raspberry jam into the indentations of each cookie. You can even swirl it gently with a toothpick for a beautiful marbled effect. Now, place your cookies on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack to set perfectly. Once your raspberry cheesecake cookies have cooled, a final touch of powdered sugar can add a lovely, elegant finish. Simply dust them lightly for that bakery fresh look. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, whether you're sharing them with friends and family or simply enjoying a sweet moment yourself. They offer a wonderful balance of tangy raspberry and creamy cheesecake in every bite. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.